Hi, it's Adrienne. How are you doing today? So I'm back with a palette that's really new to me, that's really good in the summer, and that's recently been on sale. So I thought I'd go ahead and share it with you, and to go ahead and start with what I have on today. Did use the L'Oreal Lumi Tint. This one is in 120, and the e.l.f. bronzing drops. These are in the rose gold, so I had those on. I did go ahead and add in a little bit of the Colourpop as far as my concealer today. And then as far as lips, I got out the lip gloss. This is by BPure, and you can get this over at Dollar Tree. And then I added in some of the e.l.f. Lip oil with the glitter in it. So yeah, that's how that worked out. And as far as what I did for the cheeks today, I went ahead and got out the buttermilk, and these are the face palettes that came out during the holidays, and I did go ahead and use this one right here. And I really didn't go ahead and do any bronzer. I did use a little bit of this on my forehead and under my chin, but I did everything with this today. And as far as my highlighter, I did the Glazze Butter from NYX, and this is one of their newer highlighters, so that's what I have on there. And then as far as what I did go ahead and do for the eye look today, I got the Flying Fiddles, and this one is by Adept. So it's a really pretty palette. And as far as summer, I think that it really would work really well in summer. A lot of yellow and green and bronze in this particular palette, and this is what it looks like. So today I went ahead and used this one in the crease, and then I used this in the crease as well, this one in the outer corner, and this one on the inner corner. And then I used this, and I went from here to here, and I went ahead and used this one, and I used it right under the brow. So I decided to get as many sparkly shimmers as I could get all over everywhere. And this one has 4 mattes and 11 shimmers, multi-chromes. And so I just thought that it was a really pretty palette that's right up my alley. And this is the way that it swatches out. There's a lot of pigment, and the shimmers have a lot of sparkle in them. The way the eye look turned out was sort of like this. And so I did a really bronzy look today. I did use Colourpop eyeliner as well. And again, the Adept formula is just so much fun, and it's beautiful. It's so twinkly, and I really like the fact that so many of the indie companies are moving to the really twinkly, sparkly shimmers, and that they're still multi-chrome or duochrome, but they have so much twinkle in them now from glitter and mica and all that good stuff. So I think that's just about the video today, but I hope that you're having a great summer and have a great weekend, and I'll see you later.